Hi, this is Ray from soyachinchat.com and welcome to another episode of ICYMI, where we bring you the latest tech news that mattered today in case you missed it. Ichigo has asked us about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 here in Malaysia, but sadly we do not have any details about it yet, but stay tuned. iPhone and iPad users, listen up, because you can now download the latest iOS version 12.1.3 starting today. The new versions bring updated security and also a number of optimization and also bug fixes to improve users' experience. The update is about 540 MB and all you have to do is go to your phone settings and you go to General. Then after that you can go to Software Updates and hit Download and Install button. We all know that Xiaomi has been working on a foldable smartphone for quite some time now, but recently they've posted a video on Twitter showing what it appears to be the world's first dual folding smartphone. From the video, we can see Xiaomi's president, Bin Lin, is holding a square device and also swiping through a video. And on the 5-second mark, he starts folding the screens on both sides, resulting in a smaller device. Could this be the real deal? Samsung has revealed details about its new camera sensor, and it is called the ISOCELL Slim 3T2. This appears to be the company's smallest 20-megapixel camera module and is designed for a hole-punch display and also a notch design. Equipped with Samsung's ISOCELL Plus tag, it allows the camera to capture more light, resulting in better low-light condition photos. According to Samsung, the camera module is expected to be in mass production in the first quarter of 2019. Renowned camera testing website DxOMark has released a new leaderboard where they take a look at the performance of the selfie camera on smartphones. They've tested 12 phones, and sitting right at the top is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and also the Google Pixel 3, who share the same score of 92 points. This is interesting because the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 has a single 8-megapixel camera, while the Google Pixel 3 has a dual selfie setup. So which phone do you think that takes the best selfies? That's all from me. If you want to learn more of what I've said just now, the links are in the description box. So if you have any concerns or any feedback, you can leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget that we will be giving away an Honor Watch Magic and also Honor Band 4 over at soyachinchat.bm. So the giveaway will be held at 12 PM and also 3 PM tomorrow. The details are in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here. And also last ICYMI here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!